In this tutorial I would like to show you how to change color in Krita. So first we will create a simple rectangle and ellipse, and we will change color of these objects in Krita. So now let's go to rectangle tool, so I click on it, or I use shortcut Shift R, and then I create a simple rectangle. Now let's go to ellipse tool and let's create here a simple ellipse, maybe something like that. And now if you would like to fill it with a color, you need to go to the left tool panel and you need to click on this one icon. It fills a contiguous area of color with a color or fill a selection. So I click on it, and now we can change color here. We can change here foreground color selector or background color selector. So I will click on foreground color selector and I select here blue. Then I click OK button, and now I click somewhere inside the object. For example, I click here, and how you see, object color has been successfully changed to blue. So now maybe I will change color to orange. I select here orange and I click OK, and I change color of this ellipse by clicking somewhere here. So it is how it works. You can easily change colors in this way. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.